How to add signature in Gmail Mobile. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can add your personalized signature on Gmail. So let's just get into it. The very first thing you're going to have to do is tap on your Gmail application and open it up. Now just make sure that you're logged into your account. And the next step here is to actually tap on the hamburger menu that you see on the top left of your screen. This pop-up will appear on your screen now. Just scroll down until you find the contact settings. Right below contact, you will have your settings menu. Just tap on it. Now, once you head over to your settings, all you have to do now is find the mobile signature option, which is right under the default replay action. So go ahead and tap on mobile signature. Now you can add your mobile signature and type in your details, for example, your name, and then you could add your phone number or any other contact. And then once you've done that, you could also add your location or other important details that you would like to add on your signature, and then tap on OK. So on the end of every email, this signature will show up, so other people will also be able to see this. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically add or set up a signature in Gmail Mobile. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.